Before we can measure any images in the software, we first have to do a pixel calibration. To do a pixel calibration, I'm using a standard magnification checker, placed it underneath the camera. I'm using a 5mm circle here. The first thing I shall do is click on my measure icon at the top, and then in the video window, right mouse click, and change to the drag tool, circle with guides. Using my circle with guides, I shall fit the circle around the 5mm circle of my mag checker. As you can see, I have a 5mm circle on my mag checker underneath the camera, but the software has actually measured 2.539. This is obviously incorrect, and a pixel calibration is required. To do a pixel calibration, I shall click on Calibrate in the bottom of the screen. I shall then do a Calibrate, and in my calibration dialog box, I have my cal number, which I shall change to position 2. It's interesting to note that I have a total of 8 calibrations I can store in the software. I can give it a calibration name. This name I'll call a 10x objective. My units, I'm going to use mm for millimeters. Decimal places, I'm going to go out to 3 decimal places. I've got my cal bar, which is a default, or I can use a custom length. I can calibrate by X and Y, or do a calibration by length. I'm going to leave it set on calibration by length. I am, however, going to key in the standard length of my mag checker, which is 5.0, and hit OK. As you see now, the diameter measurement has now changed to exactly 5mm. We can now verify this if I go to the 2.5mm diameter and measure this. Using the same tool, the drag circle tool, I position and size the circle around my mag checker circle. See here, we have measured 2.538. This is how you do a pixel calibration in the Image Solutions software.